Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Let's Talk English. I'm Sophie, and today we have a very fun and useful topic. It's a question that everyone hears many times in life. Tell me about yourself.
Hello, Sophie. Hello, everyone. I like this topic already. It's a very common question, right?
Yes, very common. People ask it in class, at a new job, or when you meet new friends. But sometimes it's hard to know what to say.
That's true. Even in my own language, I sometimes stop and think, what should I say about myself?
Exactly. So today, we'll make it easy and fun. We'll learn step by step how to talk about yourself in English.
Great. I'm ready, Sophie.
Perfect. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this episode a thumbs up.
Yes, it really does. Thank you, everyone.
All right, let's start with the basics. When someone says, "Tell me about yourself," what's the first thing you can say?
Maybe my name?
Exactly. Your name is always first. So, Alex, tell me about yourself.
Okay. My name is Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Alex. See? Simple and friendly. You can say, "My name is Alex. Nice to meet you."
That's easy.
Good. Now, what comes next? Usually, people want to know where you're from. So, Alex, where are you from?
I am from Canada, a small town near Toronto.
Ah, Canada. Such a beautiful country. And I'm from the United Kingdom. So, we come from different places.
Yes, very different, but I like learning about other countries.
That's great. You can say, "I'm from Canada," or "I'm from Japan," or "I'm from Brazil." It's a very useful sentence.
Okay, name, then where I'm from.
Right. Next, we can talk about where you live. Do you live in a big city or a small town?
I live in a small town. It's quiet and peaceful.
That sounds nice. I live in a big city, and it's busy all the time. So now we have name, country, and city.
Okay, my name is Alex. I'm from Canada. I live in a small town.
Perfect. See, you're already talking about yourself.
This is fun. What's next?
Next, we can add your age. If you want, it's optional. So how old are you, Alex?
I am 28 years old.
Nice. I'm 25. Smiles. When you say your age, remember, I am 28 years old.
Okay, name, country, city, age. Got it.
Wonderful. Now, a very common question is, what do you do? That means, what is your job or what do you study?
Ah, I see. Well, I'm an English student. I study every day.
Excellent! And I'm an English teacher. So together, we make a perfect team.
That's true.
So now your answer can be a little longer. For example, my name is Alex. I'm from Canada. I live in a small town. I am 28 years old. I'm a student.
That already sounds great.
Yes, and now we can add more, like talking about your family. Do you have any brothers or sisters, Alex?
Yes, I do. I have one sister. Her name is Sarah.
Nice. Is she older or younger than you?
She is younger than me. She's a student too. She studies music.
Wow, that's amazing. My brother plays guitar, so I like music too. You can say, "I have one sister. She's younger than me."
Okay, that's easy to remember.
Good. And what about your parents? What do they do?
My mother is a teacher and my father is a doctor.
A teacher and a doctor. That's wonderful. You can say, "My mother is a teacher and my father is a doctor."
Got it.
Now let's talk about something many people love, pets. Do you have a pet, Alex?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max. He's very friendly and funny.
Aw, I love dogs. What color is Max?
He is brown, small, and very active.
That's so cute. I have a cat named Luna. She's black and white and very sleepy.
A sleepy cat and an active dog. Perfect pair.
Yes. So you see, family and pets are nice topics when you introduce yourself.
Yes, they make the conversation friendly.
Exactly. Now let's talk about favorite things, your likes and dislikes. What is your favorite food, Alex?
My favorite food is pizza.
Of course. Everyone loves pizza. What kind of pizza do you like?
I like vegetable pizza with tomatoes, peppers, and onions.
Healthy and delicious. I love pasta. It's my favorite food.
Pasta is good too.
See? We can learn about each other's favorite things. You can say, my favorite food is pizza.
Got it.
And what about your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue, like the sky.
Blue. Such a calm color. My favorite color is green, like the trees.
Nice. Blue and green. Good combination.
Yes. And your favorite animal?
That's easy. Dog.
Of course, because of Max. My favorite animal is cat, because of Luna.
A dog lover and a cat lover. Nice mix.
Exactly. Now, another fun topic, hobbies. What are your hobbies, Alex?
Well, I like listening to music. I also play soccer with my friends.
Oh, that's great. Music and sports. I love painting and reading books. They help me relax.
Painting. That's cool. What kind of things do you paint?
Mostly nature, flowers, trees, and sometimes the sea.
That sounds beautiful.
Thank you. See, hobbies are very good to mention when you talk about yourself. They show your personality.
Yes, I can say I like listening to music and playing soccer.
Perfect sentence. Now, let's talk about things we don't like, our dislikes. What's a food you don't like, Alex?
A food I don't like. Ooh, I don't like olives.
Olives, really? I like olives. See, we're different again.
Yeah, I just don't like the taste.
That's fine. We all have different tastes. You can say, I don't like olives. It's simple and polite.
Okay. What about you, Sophie? What food don't you like?
I don't like very spicy food. It's too hot for me.
Oh, I understand. I like a little spicy, but not too much.
Exactly. So you can also say, I don't like spicy food.
Got it. This is fun, learning how to describe likes and dislikes.
Yes, and it helps people know more about you. It's not just about facts, it's about personality.
Right. It makes conversation natural.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about activities we don't like doing. Alex, what's something you don't like to do?
I don't like waiting in long lines.
No, me neither. That's such a good one. Nobody likes waiting.
Yeah, it's so boring.
I agree. And I don't like waking up very early in the morning.
Are you not a morning person?
Not at all. I love my sleep.
I completely understand. Sleep is very important.
Yes. So you see, when you talk about what you like and don't like, it shows who you are. It helps people connect with you.
Yes, and it's very useful when learning English. Small sentences, but very natural.
Exactly. Now, let's review everything we talked about today. We started with name, country, city, age, job, family, pets, hobbies, likes, and dislikes.
That's a great list. You could make a full introduction with that.
Yes, let's do an example together. You first, Alex. Tell me about yourself.
Okay. My name is Alex. I'm from Canada. I live in a small town. I am 28 years old. I'm a student. I have one sister. I have a dog named Max. My favorite food is pizza, and my favorite color is blue. I like music and playing soccer. I don't like olives or waiting in long lines.
That was amazing. Clear, friendly, and full of great information.
Thank you.
Now I'll try mine. My name is Sophie. I'm from the United Kingdom. I live in a big city. I am 25 years old. I'm a teacher. I have one brother. I have a cat named Luna. My favorite food is pasta, and my favorite color is green. I like painting and reading books. I don't like very spicy food or waking up early.
That was perfect.
Thank you, Alex. You see, we use the same structure, but our answers are different because everyone's story is unique.
Yes, and that's what makes introductions interesting.
Exactly. And one more important thing. When you introduce yourself, remember to smile and speak slowly. Confidence and kindness make a big difference.
Yes, that's so true. People remember how you make them feel.
Exactly. So when someone asks you, tell me about yourself, don't panic, just follow this structure.
Right. Name, where you're from, what you do, your family, hobbies, and a few favorite things.
Perfect. And you don't have to say everything at once. Just choose what fits the situation.
For example, if you're in class, you can say, "My name is Alex. I'm from Canada. I'm learning English because I love new languages."
Exactly. And if you're at a party, you can say, "Hi, I'm Sophie. I love painting and music."
That's great. Short, natural, and easy.
Yes. It's not about perfection, it's about connection. That's what communication is, sharing who you are.
Beautifully said, Sophie.
Thank you, Alex. I think we learned a lot about each other today and had some fun, too.
Yes, definitely. I learned that you're an art lover who doesn't like to wake up early.
That's true. And I learned that you're a music fan who loves pizza and has a very friendly dog.
Exactly.
So, now for everyone listening, we want you to practice too. In the comments, write a few sentences about yourself. You can write things like, "My name is Anna. I'm from Mexico. I love reading and cooking."
Yes. Don't worry about mistakes. Just try. That's how you learn, by practicing.
Exactly. And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. It really helps more learners find our channel.
And we'd love to read your comments and learn a little bit about you too.
Yes, it will be so much fun. Thank you all for joining us today.
Thank you, everyone. Stay safe and keep practicing.
We'll be back soon with another fun episode. Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Alex.